some reason, I'm tired. It's only 11 o'clock and I am a morning person. I'm about to make a smoothie to see if that will boost my energy because fruit has sugar and sugar is energy before I do my day 3 Pilates workout. Why am I so sleepy? I'm using what I have in the kitchen because it's what I have in the kitchen. The economy. You know it. You get it. This is the longest flight I ever had fly over my roof. You would think I lived in Atlanta. Damn. Messing up my record. So we bought apples some weeks ago. The thing is about fresh produce with me, and I'm sure many of you, we like to buy it because it's better for us and then we let it sit. I had 3 left and I decided to chop up 2 of them, add in some ginger, wash it off with baking soda, rinse it out. I only did 2 apples because this one here, we had a fresh whole pineapple and it was ripening faster than I expected. I went ahead and cut it up and threw it in the freezer because I'm trying to save my money. If I can't freeze it before it goes bad, I don't want it. So literally everything. Let me show you mine. Hold on. If you are not freezing your greens before they go bad, because I know it's sitting in that corner, and in a week it's going to be rotten, throw it in the freezer. You can cook it for later. You can add it to your smoothies. Add it to your juices. Don't let your money go to waste. Ginger, apple, pineapple. I thought about adding a banana just to sweeten it up, but bananas are diuretic. Yeah, we're gonna throw a banana in there. Also, what do you wash your produce with? Because I know apples are acidic, I went in with a basic cleanser versus doing it with vinegar. To me, it made sense because it would like cancel it out. I don't know. Should I cleanse it with vinegar? What do y'all do? And don't tell me you do both, because apparently that's not how you're supposed to do it. I need to do research now. So I'm gonna use my NutriBullet because the blender cup is not clean yet and I don't have energy. So I'm gonna use what I have. So I might have to do 2 sessions just to make sure everything is blended how I need it to. I'm gonna add water to it, blend it up, and then I'll go in with my pineapples and banana, blend that up, add water. Then I will bring them together and put them in one of my recycled glass bottles. Am I doing it wrong? I've had you for years now. Come on now. We know each other. We juice. We juice together. All right. This is what we got. This is what it looks like. It separated some because, you know, there's the juice and then there's the fiber. A lot of people don't like the fiber, but it's really good for you. Helps you with digestion and other things. I don't know. I'm not Google.
Don't everybody believe in Google?
I'm going to pour it into my big bottle and then I'm going to blend the pineapple and banana and I'll come back with the finished product. So I'm back with 2 bottles because I made a lot. So majority of it's in here, but this is what I'm going to be drinking out of probably the whole day, maybe today and tomorrow, I don't know. Hopefully this will get my energy boosted back up for the day so I can do my workout, maybe even do a workout at my job. Because I'm trying to get that Pilates body. Cheers. It's good to me. Honestly, truly. No lie.